So I've been accepted to Cornell University's Ecology and Evolutionary Biology PhD program. I narrowed it down to 4 universities, and then I fell in love with Cornell. I applied and got in, which was one of the best feelings I've ever had. And there I'll be conducting research on the gut microbiomes of birds and also teaching undergraduate lab courses. And my ultimate goal is to become a research professor at a medium-sized university such as Millersville, who's predominantly an undergraduate institution. Because Millersville is a smaller institution, I've had the opportunity to become a tutor and also a zoology lab technician. And there I've really honed in my skills to teach kind of lower level biology courses and really developed my passion for teaching. Please support Millersville's One Day Give fundraising campaign so that other students can have the same opportunities that I've been given here at Millersville.